Hi guys, Miss Cross here.
Hi, I'm Shelby.
We're here to give you some ideas for a science investigation you can do on Friday, your 5th day of digital learning. We hope you've had fun in science this week. We love that the investigations have had a lot of stuff that you probably have at home already.
And last day.
Yeah, last day for the week. Whoop. Okay, so this week we've been talking all about sound, and we've been using everyday objects to produce sound. Things around the house. Earlier in the week you saw Shelby singing and the effect the vibrations. Oops, I just gave away an answer for a question I was about to ask. Anyway, when she sang, those things moved around. The salt and the rice and the sprinkles. Why did that happen? What is sound? What is sound?
Vibrations in the air.
Okay, and what? It's a form of something. Kind of like light, do you remember?
Waves.
Okay, it travels in waves, but it's a form of...
Energy.
Yes, energy. And what's different between sound waves and light waves? Do you remember?
No.
How do they travel?
In a way.
Yes, but what kind of waves? Remember,
Energy waves.
light waves light travels in straight waves until it hits something, and then it either reflects, refracts, or is absorbed. But sound waves are not straight. What do they look like?
They're like this.
Yeah, they go up and down, right? Okay, so today you're going to make a phone. Now, believe it or not, before you guys were born, you can ask your parents and your grandparents about this if you don't believe me, but we had to use telephones that were attached to something. They had wires and they were plugged into the wall. Yeah, we're old, right? Okay, so anyway, you guys are going to make an old school phone. Hopefully you have some of these things at home. I'm going to show you a picture that's going to give you a clue, perhaps, to what you're going to do. Now, yes, this picture... Oh, no, I lost it. Hold on.
Technical difficulties.
Yes, technical difficulties. Hold on. We're going to get it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, look, you're seeing all the reflections. There's my light. Hello, light. All right. Hopefully you can see this picture, and hopefully this picture will be a clue about how you can use some everyday objects around your house to make a phone. So, we're going to try and make one. Go ahead.
If this actually works, then if you don't have a phone, you can use this to contact your mom in the kitchen or something.
Yeah, very good. If you're being really lazy and you can, like, figure out how to get the phone to go from your bedroom to the kitchen if you need a snack or something. That's a good idea, Shelby. Okay, so these are the materials that we're going to use today. We have 2 plastic cups. You could use paper cups or plastic cups like this. You do need to poke a hole in the bottom, and you might want to ask mom or dad or grandma or somebody for help, because I tried it the first time and this right here happened and I almost cut my finger. So, ask for help before you start poking holes in things.
So, because we didn't know where a needle was or something really sharp, we used just the back of a pin.
Yep, we used a pen and we did it really carefully. But again, I would ask for mom or dad's help. So, Shelby also has some string.
And what would you usually use?
Well, you could use different kinds of string. We're going to think through different kinds of string. And I know we're all kind of on lockdown in our houses. So this was the string that we happened to find. Fishing line might work. Yarn might work. That's part of the investigation we're going to do, is what kind of strings work better than others. So what we're going to try to do is stick this string through the hole in the bottom of the cup. And if the hole isn't big enough, we might need to make it a little bigger.
No, I think it's big enough.
Where's our scissors?
You also need scissors.
Oh, scissors. Be right back.
So I'm just going to try to poke it there in the middle.
Is the hole big enough?
It's a tiny bit too small. Wait, I almost got it.
This is the tricky part, guys. Okay.
So you're just going to open it if you have a pin that you're going to use, and you just stick it in there. And poke
You
the
could
hole.
probably use a needle. This hole's just going to be small.
Or
See
an
if that
X-Acto
works.
knife.
The X-Acto knife is a good idea, but that's kind of how I sliced the other one. I used a pin, like a writing pin, and it didn't work. But that's part of science, right? Sometimes we try stuff and it works. Sometimes it doesn't work.
Oh my gosh, I won't go.
Let me try. Hold on, let me see. Oh, I think I need to hook it one more time. See, this is probably what Bill Nye does at home with his kids before he makes his video.
If he has kids.
I have more cereal.
Oh, look, there's Elliot.
We are brother.
Come here.
Or
Look.
my brother.
Say
Say
hi,
hi.
everybody. We're doing science. You want to help us?
He's usually not shy, but when he's...
All right, so here, sit with Shelby. We're going to try and put this string through, and it's still not going. Hold on.
You say hi, everybody, Elliot?
Some of the people have been wanting to see you this week and wonder what you're doing at Digital Learning.
Say hi. Say hi.
You're not really being looked at right now. We're just recording you for later. Okay, let's see. I might need a bigger poker. Let's try this.
In 1 second. I'm not doing it.
Oh, this toy doing that.
Here, can I unplug it or somebody, please?
Oh yeah, you can play it. Don't worry, people. We'll get this eventually.
May take a second. 1 second. Elliot, get up. Get up. I'm trying to. Get up.
I think we got it now.
Okay. I have to unplug this cord.
Got it. Okay, so after you get it through, you're going to tie a knot or two so that the string will not come out of the cup, right?
Elliot, please, please.
Okay,
Please,
now the problem is, what do we need to decide?
we need to decide how long we want it to be.
Okay, we need to decide how long we want the string, and we have to think about, do we think having a longer string or a shorter string between our cups would help our phone?
Maybe a shorter tree or a long tree.
You think a short one or a long one? Shelby, what do you think?
I think like a medium size,
Medium,
like not
let's
too
see.
big, but not.
No. Big,
Okay, so
big.
that's how long it is right now. Do we think that's long enough or longer?
Long enough.
Long enough?
What do you think?
Good.
It's good? Okay.
Tree.
So, I'm going to cut the string,
Elliot, please stop.
and then we're going to have to poke this cup a little bit more to make it. Can you hold the string, Elliot?
Yeah.
Thanks. Hold it.
Jackie wants to be in the video too.
Everybody wants to be in video because science is so fun.
If you don't know, Jack is our cat.
Got
Am
one
I,
little piece.
Mommy,
Mhm.
am I putting in?
You can try. It's kind of hard. I'm trying to break that one little piece. So after doing this, I would definitely recommend having mom or dad help you with this part because it's tricky.
Maybe you help us.
Yeah, but the other boys and girls are going to need their mom or dad or grandma or big brother or sister, somebody.
I mean
to-
Anna.
Well,
or
that
Mom.
would, yeah, if they were here,
No,
they would.
I got it.
Oh, okay. Can you put it in that little hole?
So.
It's kind of hard.
I almost did it. Now pull it.
Push it.
Here,
Here.
wait, can I try, Elliot?
No.
Elliot, let me try.
No.
Wait, hold on. I'm going to let you pull it through. Let her put it, and then you're going to help me pull it through.
No, I'm gonna do it by myself.
I know you want to do it by yourself.
Elliot,
Hold on. Here, let me see it.
I can do it. It's just Elliot.
Oh, I needed. I still watch Snap.
Oh, he's watching the iPad. He'll be back later. Okay, hold on. Sometimes your string gets a little messed up at the end, and if you cut it off again, it'll be nice and straight. Okay, I think we got it.
Yay.
Hopefully your cat will not try to eat your string if your cat is helping with science.
Come up here.
Okay, so now, shall we take that in? Or actually, this is what it looks like. Our strings are held together. All right, so what do you think we do now?
Like, one person will talk into it like that,
Okay.
and the other person will put it up to the air. Okay.
Okay, so she's going to walk.
Oh.
All right, hold on, let's scoot this back. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to whisper, and I'm going to close my eyes so I can't see or cheat or anything. She's going to whisper a number 1 through 5 into the cup. Okay, I am...
Wait a second. Close your ears so I can tell them what.
Just show them with your fingers. My eyes are closed.
Oh my gosh, Jack. 1 second.
Hold on,
Jack,
cat interference.
No, Jack. He wants to go straight.
Okay, my eyes are closed.
You got it. Wait. Try to get. Wait, tell the audience. Tell them what I'm doing.
Oh, I'm going to do one? Okay, I'm going to do one for her now. Okay, ready? I think our phone works.
I want to try a bigger piece.
Okay, so she's already thinking of what I was going to ask next. So our phone works pretty well. But what I want you to think of is how else could you make a phone? Shelby's already thinking, I want to make the string bigger, so we can try another one. I want to see what you guys come up with. If you all make a phone, please record a video of yourself. I'm going to make a discussion board, and I'm going to post it, and it'll be called Phones. And if that doesn't work out right, I'll post on the digital learning page for Day 5 with Science where to post your pictures or videos. But I'm going to try to get a discussion post up. I've had a lot of fun with you guys in Science this week. Thank you, Shelby, for helping me, and our special guest today, Baby Elliot and Jack. All right, guys, have a great weekend. Think about all the sounds you hear this weekend. I know it's kind of different when we're stuck at home, but we've been walking and riding bikes every day. We've heard dogs. We've heard leaf blowers. We even heard the garbage truck came by and haunted us today. So just appreciate the little things in nature and in your home and in your family, and find some science too. All right, guys, bye.
Bye.